How to log out Gmail from other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log out Gmail from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now your Gmail account is just your Google account only. It's nothing sort of a big issue, and then you want to make sure that you are logged in on your main account if you want to remove those accounts from other devices. So for this you can open any Google app, but for the reference I'll open the Gmail app itself. When you open the Gmail app, you'll find a Gmail profile from the top right. Tap on it and go to the option called manage your Google account. Now when you go to the manage your Google account page, you'll be taken to the account management page by default. By default you're going to be under home, so from here you want to simply navigate to the security tab from here, and when you navigate to the security tab, just let this page load up first of all, and once it has been loaded up you'll be able to scroll and then look for the devices that you are currently logged in. So right here you can see all the devices, how you sign into Google and so on. Here under your devices you can see here you'll find an option called manage all devices. Tap on manage all devices here, and you should be able to see a list of devices where you are logged in. And what you want to do from here is just make sure to select a certain device that maybe you do or don't recognize for some reason, and then just tap the sign out option to remove the devices from your account. This way you should be able to log out Gmail from other devices. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.